Welcome to Reflection at Keppel Bay. Today we are going to see a very beautiful unit of 3 bedroom and 4 bath with amazing view. And this has a very good size of 1560 square feet. The yacht scene that you see each day is so different, making every day special. Walking into this spacious living and dining hall and the good height ceiling. In addition, we have this full height window. You can see the amazing view of the yacht and the bay view in the background. And the cable cars that are moving to and from the Sentosa is so different from a common view. This additional family area can be a cozy spot for reading or even listening to music or playtime for the children. This spacious master bedroom definitely can put your king size bed. Additional, you can also put the side tables, and there's definitely a lot of walkways around the room. In front of me, you can see such a beautiful view, and this is the eye level view. Only this story that will have it. This is so tranquil and so peaceful that only have it in the premium block. Looking at the yacht and the bay view, you just feel so relaxed and there's no more stress. The other junior and suite bedroom and a common room enjoy full greenery views as well. You can enjoy fresh air and quiet privacy. Looking at the nature and the greenery scenery is so relaxing and healthy for the eyes. Look, this is an enclosed spacious kitchen that nowadays is hard to have, and it's only certain units of this villa block that you have all these enclosed kitchen in the reflection itself. At the same time, you can see things like dishwashers and even the fridge. Behind me, it is a good size toilet cum bathroom. It also comes with a good size utility room whereby you can put all your storages. Reflection at Keppel Bay, situated at the entrance of the historic Keppel Harbour, is a unique and delightfully designed iconic piece of architecture with 6 sleek curving high towers and 11 low-rise villa blocks. Facilities include clubhouse, gym room, barbecue area, playground, tennis courts, jacuzzi, and swimming pools, etc. There is also a fair price outlet at the clubhouse that is so convenient for everyone. There's also shuttle bus services that will bring you to the shopping malls. The premium villa blocks are located very close to the marina and waterways. This condo is more than a home. It is a relaxing, elegant place to live by the water, soothing for the soul, wellness for the body and mind. You will definitely enjoy a healthy lifestyle where you can stroll or jog along the coastal path joining to the Labrador Park. Come get a feel of this place. You don't only get a view of the marina, you will feel like you are in the picture yourself. You will start enjoying your new life every day. Call me now at 90367700 for more viewing details. I'm Vivien from OrangeTee AAG. See you!